Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, in this table, see we observe that as the number of workers increases, the number of days required to complete a work are decreases. See in this first column, 2 workers 36 days, 3 workers 24 days, 4 workers 18 days, 6 workers 12 days, and 12 workers get the 6 days. Now in this way, if the workers are increases, the days for required to complete the work are decreases. In this way, if the worker increases, the days are decreases. Means in these two quantity, the variation is inverse variation. If we take product of these two, 2 into 36, 72. 3 into 24 also 72. 4 into 18 also 72. Means product of these two quantity is equal to constant number. Here also 72, 72, 72, 72, 72. So we say that if the product of two quantities or product of two things or product of these two numbers is same, then we say that the in between these two quantities the inverse variation is there. Inverse variation, if x and y are two quantities such that x into y equal to constant, then there is a inverse variation between x and y. Now this inverse variation is written in symbolic form is x inversely proportional to 1 inversely proportional to y. Then we say that if x inversely proportional to y, x equal to k upon y, where k is the constant of variation. This form is the symbolic form. This symbolic form is written in the mathematical form is x equal to k upon y, where k is the constant of variation, x equal to k upon y, or we can say that x into y equal to k is the equation of variation. Then we take one of the example. If x is directly proportional to under root y, and here x equal to 40, y equal to 16, if x equal to 10, find y equal to. See here x equal to 40, y equal to 16. Firstly write down the equation. Solution. In solution, x is the inversely proportional to under root y. X equal to k upon under root y, where k is constant, then x equal to k upon under root y, or x into under root y equal to k is the equation of variation. Then put the values. Here x equal to 40, y equal to 16. Then x equal to 40, y equal to 16. The product of this equal to 40 equal to, put the values of these two in this equation or in this equation. Then 40 equal to k upon under root 16. The square root of 16 is 4, then k equal to 40 into 4, then k equal to 160 is the constant of variation. Then write down equation of variation, put this value k in this equation. X into under root y equal to 16, the equation of variation. Then put the value of x equal to 10, find the value of y. X equal to 10, then here 10 into under root y equal to 160, then under root y equal to 160 divided by 10, then we get 160 divided by 10 is 16, then y equal to means under root y equal to 16, then taking a square on both sides, then square of this is y, and square of 16 is 256. Then we take another example. X varies inversely as y when x equal to 15, y equal to 10. If x equal to 20, then what is the value of y? Now write down the x varies inversely. X inversely proportional to y, that is the given. Then x equal to k upon y. This is symbolic form and this is the mathematical form. X equal to k upon y, where k is the constant of variation. Then x equal to k upon y, or x into y equal to k is the equation of variation. We write down in this mathematical form in the form of equation. Then where x equal to 15, y equal to 10. Then find out the value of k. 15 into 10 equal to k. That is the product of x into y equal to k. The 15 into 10, then k equal to 150 is the constant of variation. Xy equal to 150 is the equation of variation. Put this value in this equation, we get the equation of variation. Then put x equal to 20, then we get x value of x is 20 into y. 20 into y equal to 150. Then y equal to, now this is the equation of variation. Put the value of here x 20, x into y, 20 into y equal to 150, y equal to 150 upon this 20, y equal to 7.5. In this way we find the value of y. Then take a third example. The boxes are to be filled with apple if 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? See, in this example, if we put 24 apples in one box, then we get the number of boxes are 27. If this 24 apples increases to 36, then obviously the boxes reduces, means the variation between number of apples and number of boxes is inverse variation. Let the number of apples be x and the boxes needed to fill them be y. Then x inversely proportional to y, then x equal to k upon y. K is the constant. Then write the equation x equal to k upon y, or xy equal to k is the equation of variation. Put the values of x equal to 24 and y equal to 27. Then k equal to 24 into 27, then k equal to 648 is the constant of variation. Then write down the equation of variation. Xy equal to, put this value of k here or here. We get the equation xy equal to 648 is the equation of variation. Put then x equal to 36, means number of apples put in the box is 36. X equal to 36 into y equal to 648, then y equal to 648 divided by 36, then y equal to 18 box. Now the required boxes are 18 boxes will be needed for when the apples increases in the box are 36, the number of boxes is 18. In this way we complete these three examples. Now these examples are taken from the 7.2 exercise. In this exercise there are 6 examples. You can solve the remaining example. Stay in home. Good day. Okay. Bye.